Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You are not going to want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are over here at a gorgeously designed home over in Trieste and Panama City Beach. Heather, tell us more about this spectacular home.
This luxury home is 4-bed, 3-bath, a library and an office, plus a bonus space. There is enough room for the whole family to have their own zone. And let's just talk about this outdoor living.
One of the things you are going to absolutely love about this home is when you walk in the door, you are flooded with natural light. You immediately see the gorgeous backyard and enchanting pool because there's retractable glass doors. You can open them up fully.
All the way.
All the way.
Yep.
Bring the beautiful outside in. And I think that is what makes some of these homes in Trieste so special. They bring in the outdoors.
Absolutely. So you've got this cohesive screened-in living. You don't have to worry about the bugs getting in the house. And the outdoor kitchen is top-notch.
I may never leave.
Every one of the things that you need.
Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. We're camping out.
That's right. That's right. And so much extra space. That master bedroom is attached to the back patio as well. And it's expansive. You could have a seating area or a chaise along with your bed, the his and hers closets, and the wonderful bathroom attached. I mean, this is exactly the luxury you're looking for. And in the listing details, it shows all about the things that are new. The screen is new. The roof is new. All the wonderful things.
I noticed it had a beautiful landscape, both backyard and front yard.
Yes.
And one of the things I love about this location, it's so convenient. Such a central location. You can hop on to 98 quickly. You can hop on to 79.
Absolutely.
The back beach road, as we call it.
It's right here.
Close by. The Busy Bee is close by. So if you get a hankering for some of their fudge, you're close
Right.
by to that too. So if you liked what you saw in this video today, please give us a call. We'd absolutely love to show it to you.
And for all of those listing details, look below in the description and check out the actual listing for all the fine details.
Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any gorgeous homes like this one.